Americans, a load of friends and subscribers around the world. Yeah, man. Unloading the green bean. New wood, you gotta keep it coming in. Gotta get them brakes on that truck, get after it. Pickaroo, man, pickaroo. Pickaroo, actually. So, today Miss Daisy gets to go. Sun's just starting. Just starting to peek up over the mountain. It's opening day of bow hunting today. So there might be a lot of people up on the mountain. Hopefully they ain't messing with no fences. We shall see. Get up there. Get up there. Got some fences. We did just, which I actually had heard, what did I hear, 2 days ago. Affect my fish fence job eventually, but over in the Sawtooths, if you don't know nothing about the grazing, you know, and the cows out on the forest land or the public lands, is the ranchers, they bid on that and actually, they pay. It's, the ranchers ain't running the, hey, get over here, Grizz. Ranchers don't run the cattle for free, they bid on the grazing rights, the whole association or whatever bids and they pay for grazing rights. Well, over in the Sawtooths, it went up for bid, and I'm not sure what the group name is or whatever, but the ranchers in the Sawtooths got outbid on the grazing rights by an organization that's against free grazing. So they ended up paying for the grazing rights, and then they have to pay so much more. But it's 20 year whatever the heck it's called, rights. So it comes up for bid every 20 years, I guess. And so they've got it for the next 2 decades. So there'll be no grazing over in the Sawtooths, and it concerns me because it's like both sides of the fence on it, and not just because of my dog, but it also I need to clean this thing out. Also, you got to think about the since they're not going to have the cattle and stuff on there, kind of concerns me about the fuel that grows, the grasses and all that, and you can say, everybody's always got something, this side or that side to say about it, and you say, oh well, it's a natural thing, you don't have to worry about that. Well, there's so much, which the Forest Service is trying to correct a lot of it, but there's been so much fire prevention and everything, and people getting upset and, oh, we don't need, get them wildfires out. Dude, you need the wildfires to a point. The problem is now everything is so grown up, so much dead stuff, so much fuel on the ground that you can't just go in there and really light it up, because there's 50 or 80 years of fire suppression has built up the fuel to insane amounts. So then you can throw in noxious weeds and all that stuff too. And the cattle don't eat all the noxious weeds, they eat some of them. But my concern, what I was trying to get at, a long way to get there, is not having the cows horse, eating down some of that grass and some of that fuel, is that that organization or whatever, are they going to go in there and do something to, I really don't know. So I guess we'll just watch and see, but it don't really matter what this hillbilly has to say about it, because they got the lease and they got it for the next 20 years, man. I'll be 73 years old. It's going. Had a doe and a fawn. Big old doe, too. Yeah. Just run across the road. It's opening bow season. They better be careful.
Run and hide.
So far, we've only seen one camp and one hunter on this side of the fence. And for the past, I think this is our 7th year of running fish fences, and the first year that there isn't 2 camps on this. Well, on the creek, not right on the creek, obviously. But pretty peaceful up here. 4.7. 4.7. 4.2. 5.3. 4.7.
It's good.
Beautiful. Crazy, them glasses a little bit small.
Yeah, they're a little bit too small.
Yeah. For your beautiful face.
For my beautiful face.
Usually we have kind of quiet up here for bow hunters so far. We usually got a camp back there too. Ooh, watch that, Daisy! I'll shock you, girl. Come on. Ooh, I can't believe that she didn't yelp. That's what we'll do, Miss Kitty. Aren't these Yankee gates? We'll just let one down. And actually, I don't know if can you climb over that right there if I help you?
Can I?
Yeah.
Probably not. Can you?
Oh, I can.
Okay, let's see you do it, and then maybe I can. Okay, I can probably do that, but I don't think I need to be videotaped.
Oh, definitely. It's just the same video tape. It's just a video. Oh, look at that. Hand.
Don't let me die.
Jeez, like a professional. Come on, Daisy. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what we're doing right now. Is we've checked the majority of this fence right here. We'll walk a couple of little sections that you can't see from the little dirt road that comes in here, and then we're cutting over to, we're going natives, man, is what we call it. And so we're coming through this one, and we're going to go over to the other side of the fence and walk a section that is not seen, instead of walking the whole section right there. And not only that, there's a I spoke too soon. I probably should have been knocking on wood, because I was saying how, oh, look at that, man. Is it human? Whole crap load, man. 2 huge camps. Hunters. Look how amazing it is back here.
Yes, it is. It's swampy.
Oh, look at that. That squirrel, we scared him, man. He dropped his mushroom. There's a bunch boiling up, too. Bunch of mushrooms. Boy, that's moist back here. Oh, I wish I had smell-o-vision, you guys. You'd love it. Mushrooms. Boy, lots of mushrooms back here. More over here. Bunch more there. Oh, look at that. That's some prime habitat right there. And that's what the fences are protecting. Let's check down there and see what foot tracks are in that. There's fish swimming right there. I just seen the trout swimming up. Yep, I don't know if I got it on video. I just could see his ripples, is really all I could see. That's awesome. What do we got in there? Deer track. Oh. Ooh, there's bear track. Bear track right in the cow patty. Daisy, I don't think you're supposed to be trampling it either, girl. Let's see that bear track. I was gonna look at this. Oh, looks like a bear track there too. Bear. Boy, nice habitat over there too. Whimsical piece right there. That's beautiful. Oh, what do we got here? Maybe bear track there too. Huh? Oh, I'm headed to the fence, but I just wanted to see this. Nice habitat. I was really wanting to see that. I seen the fish. Well, I didn't really see the fish itself. I just wanted to see if it was a bull trout. So it was nice to see them. Phew, I almost should have left my jacket on. Yeah.
Warm wind.
Yeah, that was very warm. That's supposed to be there's the fence right there, 90 degrees today. And then it's supposed to drop about 10 degrees for the rest of the week. A lot of bear activity. Now we just got to figure out where walk this section. See, there's the fence right there. Daisy's like, oh, no problem. Actually, do you want to get down like that or you want to go through the center? See,
I'll get down like that.
See, that's all you got to do, hunters, instead of cutting them.
Lift that now.
Lift that now. Actually, I can lift the whole thing.
Look at that. Am I clear?
Yep. Clear, clear.
This went up like that.
Yeah,
right?
B, watch your hand.
Okay.
That's raspberries all over there. Whoa! Oh, my tool! Dude knocked me on my ass. Hooked my. Did I get you? You okay?
There's a bob wire coming down my arm.
Yep. You can pull. Oops, I just dropped it. Right.
Uh-oh.
There it is. Just pop those out like that to get through. Boom. There we go. So remember this corner right here because we'll come go past this. We'll walk up here. Won't disturb their camp. We'll walk up here a ways. We've camped on the end of this. This is where one camp is. We don't want to disturb anybody's camping or anything. Just want to check our fences, man. Oh, this is nice back here. just little. We do a lot of just little repairs as we go along. Okay. It's on the road. That's when we come through that one section. Alright, so this tape, I may explain it in another one. This section is the first time that we've walked this section this year. The Forest Service goes through because they come through and sign these off for the ranchers, and then they tag stuff. See, like they tag this one because there's one strand. Nothing that's probably a cow's gonna get through, but they want it. They want it fixed. So we fix it. Alright, it's on this one. It's marked. Got one marked here, one marked there. And I'm guessing that whoever followed this, I don't know, see all that. What's wrong with it? A cow ain't going through it, but it's not textbook. So we'll put it back like we wanted, I guess. I'm just here to make everybody happy. That. One of my goals this year too is to clean up
the ribbons.
These ribbons, you're supposed to rip them off when
the repair's been done.
The repair's been done. But then you got hunters and everybody
marking their trail.
Yeah, this plastic crap that just deteriorates.
Yeah, we got pink on the tree there, and another more pink over there.
Pink around that. I don't know if that's for. How do you know?
I don't know.
That's if you don't own, man. If you're a handyman, you don't own a pair of fencing pliers. Just because they're called fencing pliers, man. Let me tell you what, I use them for. I mean, they are a good bushcrafting camp tool, man. They've got cutters, twisters, hooks. I mean, they're amazing. And I having the green bean three or four pairs of. This is my favorite pair. And then this here. So this is I won't take this tape because obviously this is a boundary of contract area, probably a contract for wood logging or something. Where'd Davey go?
She's up here
somewhere. What's going on here? Oh, that's I guess because it's so low.
And it doesn't have a.
Oh, dude, I didn't bring one of those. That's because this one's off.
Oh.
There we go. Oh, this one's wrong.
Yeah, just shift them all.
That one's because of that. Ooh, look at that mud hole. I'm just going to leave that one because that stay needs to be replaced. Man, let's watch for some Sasquatch tracks. That mountain girl. Look at the size of that conch right there. That's a big one. Big one. A lot of people take those and cut them. Look at this bobble right there. Cut them off and paint on them. Stay. Look at that, man. Here's some welfare wood you're gonna work for. Look at that post. I'd say that sunk a little bit over.
Yeah.
I wonder if that tree, he probably drove that, hit that just right,
Probably
drove that
did.
in. I bet you. Oh man, can you imagine sawing that? Hope they've seen that and sawing into that with your chain. That'd mess it up. A lot of people would say very squatchy in here. Great for bears and Bigfoot. Look at that. Boy, that's a big doe. Big, beautiful doe. She better watch herself. Open season. Just coming up through that clearing now. Oh, maybe she stopped in there.
Okay, so this section here is they took down and moved the fence and left the posts and the barbed wire. And just today we came up one of those, so we're gonna harvest this post for materials.
We want to harvest a couple. Another one's like I'm in my pocket.
Yeah.
Just in case I run into some more.
Right.
So those will put, because that's the one thing. I have bags of the electric insulators.
The plastic
I
ones,
need to get some of these from the
metal. Yeah.
Get some of these stocked up and watch that barbed wire. See, now this I think was ridiculous.
Yeah, to leave that right in the path. And the cows can get tangled up in it.
I've actually
and
pulled
dog.
it over before. So I really wish whoever thinks that pile up there, wish they'd clean that crap up. Whoa, just like that. Just like that. Almost ate it. Yeah. Done before the tree was down. So then they put the tree up. And uh-oh. Somebody forgot their hammer. Excuse me, miss. Are we?
They missed something?
Are we on a? Are we checking fences? Are we on a nature hike?
Nature hike.
This bow hunters. They're probably in there right now.
Yeah.
This is no
Oh
good.
yeah, I don't know if you can really
they've
see it.
got it all
Twisted.
twisted up.
So they could step through.
So
When all they
then
had to
they've
do
completely,
is pull those nails.
whacked my fence out.
Yeah. Now it's all stretched. You can see the whoopies.
One of the things you do is get down here. You can also use a stick or whatever. You know, but it's
Quick twist.
twist. And see, show how tight it's. Watch
Nice and tight. And he's going to do this one right here. Go straight. And the third. And then the bottom.
If they didn't cut it this time.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for paying attention.
Sure. Let me get on ahead of you now.
She's trying to stay out of the poof dust. You just do your nature hike, enjoy the scenery. I'll make sure that it's only my name on the check. It is.
I was walking the path and Daisy was doing her thing and then she came up to my hip. Just stayed right with me and was scanning this area. So I thought I'd step off the path and
Look for Sasquatch.
look and listen. Could be a hunter.
Yeah.
The squirrels are chirping.
I see that. And why I don't have my pull saw, my fancy case, my pull saw that Miss Kitty got me, and my fancy case that Muskrat made me. I don't know, but I will get that on Friday. We'll take care of that. There's a big old chunk of water. tape blowing in the wind up there. What we got going on here?
What did they do?
So they crossed, so they went from there, nailed the bottom one there. Oh, and it's that whole section right there.
Right.
That's funny, dude. Funny thing is our son's the one that put the tape there because he's the one that checked this fence.
Okay,
So you have to undo that, and then you have to switch them all.
those two staples there and these two staples here are the only staples. So 4 staples. And we can take it. Yes. Looks good.
All right, man. We had to back up, man. I got a whole pocket full of
Ribbons.
Had to back off the filming because I only got one battery and this camera's about dead. But we're done. So it's a good day, man. Fixed quite a few things. Only is it 2 human cause things. So, but everything's ready till Friday, man. Yep. It's quite a few. Actually seeing a lot more hunters now, and then we're going out in different directions. We might see some more hunters.
A nail in your pocket?
Yeah, a nail and holy crap. I would have got that, Miss Kitty. But so check and see. So I might do a little clip if there's a bunch there, just cause. And make sure to check out the links below. The eBay store, going to be putting a bunch of stuff on this week.
Great way to support the channel.
Yes, we appreciate that very much. Check out the t-shirts, and I still got to do the stickers thing. But other than that, man, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Good Lord willing, and them creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.
See ya.